Hey, forget crystal balls or the magic 8 balls. I got the real estate data. Want to know the real story behind Chicago Northwest Suburbs housing market in 2023? I have all the info about the surprising trends. Plus, buckle up for my bold predictions for 2024. This could be the key to making smart moves in the real estate market. Let's dive in. Did you think the housing market was doomed in 2023? Think again. Despite all the negative headlines, single-family home prices in the Chicago Northwest suburbs actually increased by 5.91% in 2023, reaching an average of $452,000. That's a jump of over $25,000 compared to 2022. Sure, it wasn't an explosive growth we saw in 2020, but it's still impressive considering the rising interest rates and high inflation. In fact, prices would have been likely higher if the mortgage rates hadn't climbed up so quickly. The government intentionally hiked the rates to cool down the market and prevent runaway price increases. So what does this mean for you in 2024? I predict that if the interest rates stabilize or even dip slightly, many buyers who put their searches on hold in 2023 would come back into the market. This could lead to multiple offer situations and even higher prices, especially as inventory remains tight. Did you think doom and gloom headlines scared sellers away in 2023? Think again. Despite all the negativity, average listing prices in Northwest suburbs actually climbed 5.23% to reach $450,000. That's a big $22,000 jump compared to last year. Sellers remain confident, undeterred by the noise. However, there's a twist. This growth wasn't evenly distributed. Lower price listings, particularly move-in ready opportunities, remain scarce, driving down their available inventory to less than a month's supply. So what are the predictions for 2024? Based on seasonal trends, expect to see price surge in late February and early March as higher priced new listings will hit the market. This influx would test the waters, potentially pushing average list prices nearing $480,000 by the end of the first quarter. Forget haggling. In 2023, sellers were driving a hard bargain. The average sold price to asking price ratio hit a record-breaking 100.04%. Meaning homes actually sold for slightly above their listed price. For 6 months straight, the ratio hovered above 100%, peaking at the whopping 101.86% in July. Buckle up because this trend might stick around in 2024. I predict buyer demand will continue to outpace new inventory, especially in the lower price points. Get ready to fight for those charming starter homes under $400,000. A full asking price or even more might be needed to secure that dream home. Pay attention, luxury home hunters. With many owners locked into the low mortgage rates on their current residences, demand in the higher brackets is soft, possibly leaving room for savvy home buyers to snag a little bit of a discount. Overall, I see a sold price to asking price ratio settling in around 99.5% in 2024. So whatever you're a buyer or seller, buckle up for an exciting market. And remember, I'm here to navigate through the twists and turns, and don't hesitate to reach out for expert advice. Remember those doom and gloom predictions of market crash in 2023? Well, brace yourselves, because the biggest surprise wasn't a crash, but a slowdown. The number of homes sold in the Northwest suburbs tumbled down 22% compared to last year. and a whopping 43% compared to the frenzy of 2021. That's even fewer sales than during 2022 pandemic lockdown. Think about it this way. Imagine 50 real estate agents disappearing from your local market. That's roughly the impact of the drop in transactions. But hold on, the story doesn't end there. I predict a slow but steady rebound in 2024, with sales climbing back to around 1,500 homes. What's behind the slowdown? Low inventory, especially in the lower price brackets. So if you're hunting for an affordable starter home, be prepared for some competition. But hey, this isn't a doom and gloom for the buyers. With fewer transactions, each agent will have more time to dedicate to their clients. So whatever you're buying or selling, reach out. I'm here to navigate through this changing real estate market and help you make better, more informed decisions in the future. Attention house hunters, feeling like you're searching for unicorns in the real estate jungle? Let's talk about the elusive inventory of the homes you can actually have to choose from. Brace yourselves, because 2023 was a lean year. We saw a jaw-dropping 566 fewer listings compared to 2022. That's right, barely 1,600 homes were available for sale, a far cry from happy hunting of 2019 and 18 with their 3,800 options available. It's 26% decrease, the drop which every new buyer felt. But wait, there's a twist. 2024 might just bring a glimmer of hope. If the interest rates dip to around 5.5%, imagine this. Those lucky homeowners locked in with a sub 3% interest rates could decide to move up to a bigger houses. Why? Because with the lower rates, their monthly payment wouldn't skyrocket like it did last year. And guess what? Bigger inventory levels of high-priced listings could be your golden ticket. More choices, better negotiating power, and even a higher selling price for your own starter home thanks to the fierce demand in that price bracket. My prediction, 2024 will see around 2,100 listings hit the market. Not quite a huge increase, but a welcome sign compared to lows of 2023. So buckle up, future homeowners. 2024 might not offer tons of inventory, but it could be the year that you snag the perfect property. And remember, I'm here to guide you throughout the hunt. Don't hesitate to reach out and let me help you find a dream home. Hey, remember when you could browse houses for hours on end? Those days are gone, with December 2023 hitting the rock bottom and mere 1 month's worth of inventory. That's right, barely enough homes to last 1 month, compared to a high of 4.2 months pre-pandemic. But hold on, the story gets twisty. The low overall number is hiding a secret: the inventory starvation in the lower price brackets. Are you dreaming of a charming starter home under $350,000? Be prepared for lightning fast market with barely 0.7 months of options. Even if you go a little bit higher, between $350,000 to $500,000, you only 5.9 months of choices. It's only when you climb above the $700,000 mark that the market opens up, offering it 3.3 months of houses for sale. So what's the crystal ball whispering for 2024? More homes hitting the market. More sellers might be motivated by life's little curveballs. Think 7 Ds of real estate: divorce, diapers, diplomas. You get the picture. And here's another shocker. With it being an election year, the government might loosen its grip on interest rates, potentially unlocking inventory that was stuck last year. So what's my prediction? We'll see inventory rising to a comfortable 1.8 months by year's end. So whenever you're a budget-conscious buyer or a luxury seeker, buckle up. 2024 could be an interesting ride. And remember, I'm a real estate advisor. I can help you navigate the twists and turns and find you the dream home, no matter what your budget is. Don't hesitate to reach out. The adventure for real estate just awaits. Remember the frenzy of house hunters in 2021? Practically tripping over each other at the open houses? Yeah, 2023 was like the party after. Quieter, fewer guests, and maybe a little bit awkward. Showings down 14% compared to 2022. A whopping 20,000 fewer showings in the peak of 2021. Recession whispers, high inflation, and high sky interest rates kept some folks glued to their couches, scrolling through Zillow instead of calling for appointments. But here's a glimmer of hope for 2024. With interest rates dropping, we're expected more hopeful eyes searching for that perfect home again. More buyers, more curiosity, meaning more showings, potentially even in the surpassing 2022 levels. I predict number of showings will come in at 1,700 in 2024. That's right, get ready to dust off your open house smile because the party might be just getting started again. So whatever you're a conscious, seasoned buyer or nervous first-time home buyer, buckle up. 2024 could be the year you find your dream home. And of course, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out. Happy house hunting in 2024. Do you remember those days in 2023 when your for sale sign was attracting long lines of buyers? Yeah, with an average of 12.13 showings per listing, this is exactly what happened. That's even higher than the previous year and double the pre-pandemic buzz. What does this mean, you ask? Simply, low supply, high demand, and a lot of happy sellers like you. This trend is a friend to those putting their homes on the market in 2024, especially in early months. Picture buyers from this year, even last year, or from 2021, still hungry for their dream homes, eagerly lining up for showings. I predict spring could see over 15 showings per listing. But hey, every party has its end. Later in the year, things might mellow out, with showings settling around comfortable 6 to 7. This isn't a bad news. It's just a market finding its groove again, with supply and demand reaching a nice balance. So sellers, get ready to shine. The first half of 2024 could be your golden ticket. And remember, I'm a real estate advisor. If you have any questions or you need a hand navigating this exciting time, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. Let's make 2024 your year to sell happy. Remember those days when homes vanishes in a matter of hours? Yeah, in 2023, homes spent 36 days on the market compared to 93 days in 2019. With most loans taking around 30 days to close, it meant most houses were snatched up in a you miss it window of 2-3 days. But in 2024 promises a twist. While in the first half, you still might see homes flying off the shelves with days on the market dipping below 35, things could change later in the year. Get ready for the political election circus because it might pull some focus away from real estate. My prediction, days on the market could climb back above 40 around that time, as buyers might get a little bit distracted from campaign drama. So what does this mean for you? Sellers, strike the iron while it's still hot in the first half of the year. Buyers, be prepared to move fast and stay focused. And remember, I'm here to guide you through every twist and turn of this market, election season or not. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's navigate this exciting roller coaster together. Here's a recap of real estate market predictions for 2024. Sold prices would reach $475,000 for suburban single-family homes. List prices will come closer to $480,000 number. Sold price to asking price ratio will come around 99.5%. We'll see about 1,500 homes sold in our area. I predict that we'll see about 2,100 single-family homes enter the market in 2024. Months of supply of homes will reach 1.8 months of inventory by the end of this year. Number of showings will come in at 1,700. Number of showings per property will reach over 15 in the spring market, and then it will decrease to about 7 at the end of 2024. Days on the market would increase to about 40 days. Let me know what you think about those market predictions. Which number will come in the closest, and which prediction is totally wrong? I can't wait to hear your comments. Happy home shopping in 2024, and if I can assist to make your situation better, give me a call. I'm here to help. Talk to you soon.